Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special product review for all the parents out there. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the Safety First Crosstown DLX all-in-one convertible car seat in the vibrant cabaret color. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Features and design. The Safety First Crosstown DLX all-in-one convertible car seat is an excellent choice to ensure your child's safety during car rides. It combines comfort, convenience, and an attractive design. This specific model features the cabaret color, which adds a touch of style to your car's interior. The car seat is designed for children from 5 to 100 pounds. Offering extended use options for your growing child. It can be used in 3 different modes: rear-facing, forward-facing with a harness, and as a belt positioning booster seat. The seat's fabric is comfortable and easy to clean, ensuring a cozy experience for your little one. The headrest is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect fit as your child grows. Segment 2. Safety measures. As the name implies, Safety First prioritizes your child's safety above all. The Crosstown DLX car seat is equipped with a range of safety features to give you peace of mind while on the road. It has side impact protection, which helps shield your child from potential collisions. The 5-point harness with an up-front adjustment system ensures a secure fit. Additionally, the car seat meets all federal safety standards, adding an extra layer of assurance. Segment 3. Installation and ease of use. Installing the Crosstown DLX car seat is a breeze thanks to its straightforward installation process. The clear labeling and detailed instructions make it easy for parents to secure the car seat correctly every time. The seat also has a quick-fit harness system, allowing you to adjust the harness height with ease. It saves you time and ensures a proper fit for your child. Segment 4. Additional convenience features. This convertible car seat offers an array of additional features to enhance your experience. It includes 2 removable cup holders, perfect for holding drinks or snacks during longer rides. The seat pad is machine washable, making cleanup effortless. Another convenient feature is the ability to recline the seat to multiple positions, ensuring maximum comfort for your little one during long journeys. Conclusion. And that wraps up our review of the Safety First Crosstown DLX all-in-one convertible car seat in the cabaret color. We've discussed its features, safety measures, installation process, and convenience features. Overall, this car seat is a perfect choice for parents seeking a reliable, stylish, and comfortable option for their child. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and helpful parenting content. Stay safe and happy travels.